This is my audience. Imagine bringing home your 8-week-old puppy from the pet store, and within a few weeks, your new puppy is sick and infected with diseases. There even is a possibility your puppy could die. This is important because this has happened to many families in the U.S. They bring their new adorable puppies home and get the heartbreaking news that their puppy is ill because their puppy is from a puppy mill. Personally, I have worked with dogs that have come from puppy mills, and I have seen the difference between the dogs from puppy mills and certified breeders. In this speech, you will learn about the living conditions at puppy mills, the health problems from the dogs of puppy mills, and the solution to banning puppy mills. First, we will learn about puppy mills and the condition these poor dogs live in. Puppy mills are inhumane, dirty breeding facilities where dogs are bred for profit. In facilities, many different dogs are bred. They have a variety of breeds, so they can breed different breeds together, or they can also breed the same breed together. According to Puppy Mills Are Hubs of Animal Cruelty, We Don't Need Their ... published September 20th, 2017, this measure is crucial to thwarting the sale of puppies bred and raised under the neurotically deplorable conditions of high-volume commercial breeders. They overuse their female dogs and crowd animals into dirty, often fetid cages, all for the business of churning out sought-after pedigree and designer puppies that can command thousands of dollars in pet stores. These dogs and animals are kept in very small cages where they spend their days and nights. These dogs spend their days in cramped kennels with one another. Here are some photos of dogs that are cramped in the kennels, as you can see. The owners of these crucial places cram as many dogs as they can into one kennel, making space for as many dogs as they can hold. The kennels they live in together are either made of wood or wire, and sometimes the dogs are even attached to a tree by a chain. Here's an example of a wood kennel that dogs are kept in, and then the wire ones like these ones. Dogs that live in puppy mills normally don't have very good shelter from severe weather either. These poor dogs don't deserve to live in these cramped kennels with one another, but they are because puppy mills aren't banned. Dogs at puppy mills have to walk around and lay in their own feces and urine. Dogs in puppy mills have nothing to do besides sit and lay in their small kennels, causing them to lay in their own feces and urine. When they sit and lay in their own urine, it can cause uric acid to build up, and it can burn their skin and paws. The ammonia caused by this can also cause the dogs to have respiratory issues. As a result of puppy mills not being banned, rodents are attracted to puppy mills because of the unsanitary conditions these dogs live in. These rodents can cause dogs to attract infectious diseases as well. Food and water are essential to dogs, but they lack these things because the living conditions for puppy mills aren't great. They also lack proper veterinarian care. Algae, feces, and urine are most likely in the dog's water they drink out of every day. Maggots and mold are found in dogs' food they are given because of how dirty puppy mills are. They suffer from proper veterinarian care, cleaning, and grooming too. Even if the dog is sick or dying, they most likely won't receive the proper veterinarian care they need, which is another reason why puppy mills should be banned. Now that you know about the living conditions dogs live in at puppy mills, we are going to talk about the health problems within these facilities. Next, we will talk about health problems that come with puppies from puppy mills. The dogs that live in puppy mills have many health issues. These can be caused because they are kept in filthy cages without any proper care. According to USDA Cracks Down on Puppy Mills, published May 25, 2010, federal investigators have uncovered grisly conditions at puppy mills around the country where dogs were infested with ticks, living with gaping wounds, and in pools of feces, according to a disturbing new report that placed the blame on lack of tax enforcement. Without proper veterinarian care, it is hard to get rid of these health problems because they can spread easily to other dogs. Their fur is also severely matted. Because of how matted their fur is, it catches the feces and urine that is on the bottom of their kennel, causing them to stink and look bigger than normal. Puppies that are sold from puppy mills often go home to their families with diseases that can potentially kill them because puppy mills aren't banned. Any disease like heart or kidney disease that the mother has can be passed on to her puppies. If the mother has proper vet care, this can be prevented, but puppy mills don't seem to care much about the health problems of their dogs. Parvovirus is a big virus in puppy mills that tends to spread to the puppies that are going to be sold. Parvovirus is a deadly virus to dogs. Fleas and ticks are found in dogs that live in puppy mills as well. And without proper treatment, it can cause bad health problems to any dog due to puppy mills not being banned. A significant number of deaths of puppies and female dogs come from puppy mills. Puppies who are sold from puppy mills often go to their forever home sick. Their sickness can sadly be so bad that they will quickly die after being with their owners for a short amount of time. As a result of puppy mills not being banned, female dogs who are no longer able to breed are killed. They are either killed by being shot, drowned, beaten, starved, or buried alive. Since you know about the living conditions and the health problems that come with puppy mills, let's talk about the possible solutions to banning puppy mills. Finally, we will discuss a solution to banning puppy mills. Certain things that need to be shown for a place to be qualified. There needs to be certain things that need to be shown for a place to be qualified as a puppy mill. The owner of the facility would not be licensed for it to be considered a puppy mill. Most breeders are licensed and take care of their dogs the proper way. The owner would also need to vaccinate all their female dogs and males who are being bred, as well as the puppies. The living conditions where the dogs stay would be one of the main things to consider when deciding if the facility is considered a puppy mill. According to activists go under the Ford Puppy Mills published January 11, 2010, state regulators say the smell of a high-volume puppy mill is unforgettable. An overwhelming stench of urine and feces, ammonia fumes burn the nose and eyes. The stimulations, barking of hundreds of dogs creates a wall of sound that makes it hard to think, let alone converse. This is a great example of the living conditions that would be considered a puppy mill. Here you can see a breeding facility that is clean and certified, and the dogs that have a clean kennel and are one per kennel. And then here are two images of dogs that are crammed together in dirty kennels that are considered a puppy mill. The people who are found running a puppy mill should also be punished if they are caught. Dogs are living creatures too, and they don't deserve to be treated this way by humans. If the owner is caught owning a puppy mill, they should be punished with a fine and their business should be shut down immediately. Lastly, many people wonder where we would get our dogs from if puppy mills were banned. There are many humane societies where you can adopt a dog from. You also can find a professional breeder where you can buy a puppy from. In conclusion, you have learned about the proper conditions the dogs live in, the health problems the dogs have, and the solution to ban puppy mills. It is important to consider the conditions these dogs live in and how we can try and prevent these horrible places from staying in business. These dogs need your help, so stand up for them and help them. Here's my audience again.